Hello everyone, this is Aptitude and Reasoning book and the chapter is Coding and Decoding. Now today we will solve remaining questions of coding and decoding. The first question is letter to number coding. Means in this type of question you have to give in letters and the code as the numbers and asking about what is the code for next letters. So it is very simple. First, if rose is coded as 6821 and chair is coded as 73456, preach is coded as like this. What is the code for search? So how to solve? Very simple. First see, this is ROSE. So this is first R and first letter for R is 6. Okay. Now next O for O 8. Similarly S for 2, E for 1 and so on. Now in search, what is the first letter? First letter S. So according to this, what is the first letter? ROS. This is S, third on the third place. So third number is 8682. Okay. So it is simple. For S, there should be 2. Now E. Where's E after SE? So for E, the letter is the number is 1. 2 1. Next A. Now A is in this code CHA. So third place 1 2 3. This is 4. 2 1 4. Next R. R at C. R is here also. See R first letter. This is 6. So we will write 6 here. Now C. For C, C is here the first word and here first letter 7. Now H. H you can find from here or here also. Second one means 3. So where's the correct answer? Correct answer is 214673. This is okay. Now 19th question. In a certain code 19078 it is written as JPHSX and 65432 is written as DBAIK. Then how will 89235 can be written as? So you can see this is 19078 and so 1 is standing for J, 9 for P, O for 0 for H and 7 for S and 8 for X and so on. So 8 for 8, what should be the letter? 8 is at last, so at last is X. Okay, X. Next 8 9. So 9 from here second place. On second place P is here. XP. Okay. Next 2. 2 is from this. So now at last 2 is at last, so at last is K. Next 3 and 5. Where's 3? 3 is in this second last and second last is I. And 5 is at second place, so second place is B. So find the correct option. XPKIB. XPKIB, this is the correct option. XPKIB. Okay. Now 20th question. In certain code Rome is written as 5913, done is written as 4962. How to write mean? Okay, so mean, this is M, the first letter, and M is at last here. So for last, 3 is standing. So mean can be written as M for 3. Okay, and E is standing for here E is at last. So at last is 2. So E is standing for 2. A. A is at second last. Second last is 1. A means 1. Now N. N is standing for second last. Here is 6. So it is very clear. Mean is standing for 3216. Where's 3216? This is the correct option. Okay. So they are very simple question you can find by logics. Now next, in a certain code, gold is written as 5124, live is written as 2983. How will you write VOID? So VOID you will find for B, for O, for I, and for D. Okay, find it. See, this is V. Where's V? V is here. 1 to third place. So 1 to third place is 8 right here. Now next O. O is from this second place. Second place is 1. Okay. I. Where's I? I is in live. LIV. So I means second place. Second is 9. Next D. VOID. D is at last 4. So VOID is standing for 8194. Where's 8194? 8194 is the first option. So this is correct option. Clear? Now, if rescue is coded as this, problem is coding as this one, how will procure is can be coded? So simple. According to all questions, P. First you will find P is standing for C. P, the first letter is 9. R is the first letter from here 3. O is standing for, you can find from third letter here, and so on. So this one you will find by yourself. And if you are having book, then you will mark answer sheet in book like this. For example, 20, the answer of 21 question is A. So you will find here the 21 and circle this A completely. Okay, and circle all the x's. Okay.